Pumps are the beating hearts that circulate fluids throughout an industrial-scale production plant. However, pumps incur high cost. The solution to this age-old industry issue is an entirely new type of pump. Upompe's brand new series comes with the ultimate solution for increasing the lifespan of the mechanical seal. Upompe now has the capacity to dry run for up to 1 hour without leakage. With decades of research and industrial know-how experience went into cutting the cost of installing and maintaining pumps. Upompe cuts your cost in 3 key areas. Maintenance cost is reduced by cutting down the number of components in a pump. A typical air diaphragm pump has around 90 working components, and all 90 are subject to wear and tear. Upompe has only 19 parts. Less components, less maintenance cost. Upompe mechanism also consumes significantly less electricity. The more energy-efficient system is able to output more pumping capacity with only 1/4 of the energy consumption. Upompe gets even better with less capital investment to install. Water pumps are not just one of the equipment in your plant. They are the core of every plant's operation. The pump's quality and performance determines the quality and performance of the entire plant. Masterfully crafted and industry tested, Upompe's advanced design makes it the best choice for your plant's future. Choose Upompe if you are in line with cost efficiency, energy efficiency, and technological excellence.